Hi! Thanks for purchasing the C-Start Smart Switch. In this video, we're going to connect your smart switch to your wall box. Remember, if you have any concerns with handling wiring, hire a qualified electrician for the installation. By now, you should have already labeled each wire in the wall box with the labels located in the packaging. Use the labels to match the wires from the smart switch to the wall. The black wire goes to line, red wire to load, white wire to neutral, and green wire to ground. To connect the wires, pair the wire from the switch to the correct wire from the wall box. Put them in the wire nut, turn it clockwise, and gently pull on a wire to test the connection. Next, push the wires into the wall box. Then secure your switch using a Phillips screwdriver and the longer screws provided, making sure it's level and flush with the wall. Screw on the faceplate bracket with the smaller screws, and snap on the cover. Once everything is secure, turn the power back on at the breaker box. Your C-Start will flash blue and remain in setup mode until you've downloaded the C by GE app in the App Store and set up the switch. Next, set up your Google or Alexa voice assistant if you own one. If you need help, we have a short step-by-step tutorial on our website. Check it out. Thank you for making the switch to smarter lighting. Enjoy!